Hello everybody, my name is Thor Young. I'm a moderator at Bear Bull Traders. I want to do a quick recap for you today. I'm going to get into this trade really fast. We'll get onto the YouTube formalities towards the end of the trade. I want you to see this bid we're about to catch. Over to the trade. All right, so if you look here, look at my level 2 at 183. Remember last video I talked about sellers to the top side dragging the price. Now I want to show you sellers to the downside dragging the price. So as you can see here, look, we're starting to come down into those orders right now. I'm going to move to a 1-minute chart. You can see I shorted at S4 here for a perfect breakdown on QCOM. And I now have orders sitting at 183 and a nickel right in front. See this zero right here? That's because I'm not a big share trader, right? I got orders sitting right down here for a partial, and that's about 90 shares actually are sitting there. So they're not. It's not a whole lot of shares, but it says QCOM, so it's a big price stock. So I don't need a lot. So I'm looking for this drop through 183 here, and I've only partialed one time, so I'm still carrying 2/3 of my position. So I'm looking for this breakdown, and we're going to look for a bunch of red to come across the tape here and for us to make a nice lunge down into my orders here. There we go. Boom. Filled. Got my orders. My fill priority is intact. So, and if the price drags down to this 183, I got filled already on my way there. Now I'm going to see if we snap it. Bam! Look at the volume. There it is. Wow. Look at that as we hit those 183 orders. Look at that volume come in on the chart there. Now we're moving down here. We're starting to lose this daily level. So I've got this beautiful S4 breakdown going on now. Let's go ahead and look down on our level 2. Oh, we've got more liquidity building to the downside away. It's not big yet, but it's starting to build. That wasn't there before. So it looks like we're starting to get into this bearish posture here. So that's it today for Friday. I just wanted to make a quick video for y'all. Last time I showed you what a bullish level 2 looks like. This time I wanted to show you what a bearish level 2 looks like. This is an S4 breakdown for cam traders into large bids at 183. That was the target. So we're down to 1/3 of a position now. That was a big half. And now we're holding a little bit more down here. We'll take a couple more partials above 182 here at S6 and then on. So I hope you all enjoyed this trade. I hope you all had a great week trading, and I'll look forward to talking to you all next week. As always, y'all, keep it green. Thanks.